I've already got examples here for you. Some of you might have that too. You can just chuck it in the chat. So you might do local area marketing like a flyer drop. You might do meta ads, which is Facebook, Instagram. Website is not really a traffic source. You might do Google ads. You might have partnerships. Partnerships are amazing for your industry. You might have referral programs, also amazing for your industry. You might do radio ads. Radio ads are amazing if you are in a small sort of town where radio ads are super cheap and people still listen to radio. Referral system, that's twice in there. What else are you doing to attract people? What are you currently doing? Some of you are running events. Some of you are speak. Then you just add, there's a little plus button at the bottom. If anyone is wondering, under the traffic column, there's a little add tactic button. If you just click on that, it lets you type something in there. Some of you are speaking at events, speaking gigs. What else are you doing? I can see Joanna says website currently being developed by someone else. Yeah, you know what? If I was starting up a business again, or if I needed a new website, I would 100% hire someone. I wouldn't. I mean, I built this website for the rental just for fun, and I wanted to prove how easy it is for a non-techie, non-patient person. But I would still, for a business that makes money, I would still just hire someone, but not pay too much to build a website because they also use AI these days.